Hi everybody, this is Tony Dixon from Core Running Software. This video here shows you how to go ahead and load the Core Running Software app from the Google Play Store onto the Android device. The Core Running Software app is available for both Android and iPhone. So this video here goes over how to actually install it from the Google Play Store. Okay, so the first thing the person's going to do is they're going to go ahead and open up their device, Android or tablet, and click on the Play Store. So I'll tap on there. And then once you're inside here in the search area, go ahead and search for Cool Running. You can see there's two in here right at the moment. Eventually this app right here will eventually be taken off, but then we have the Cool Running driver. So just go ahead and tap on the Cool Running driver and then go ahead and click on Install. And we'll let that go ahead and install. It typically does not take very long depending on your internet connection. Okay, we'll let that install. Okay, so once you get to this point right here, you can go ahead and click on Open, or you can go back to the app inside your software, inside your device, and actually open it up from there, which is what I'll do right now. So I'm going to hit the back button right here. And once I'm inside here, you'll see the app right here. Now what I like to do from here is I like to actually put it on the home page of my device. So if you press and hold down on it, you can add it to your home. You can see right there, it went over it there and add it to my home device. From here now, we're going to go ahead and click on it and actually register the device. But before we can do that, we actually have to go ahead and create a new device ID. Now, your company license, and I'm bringing over my old Olmsted Ice database from the company that I used to own, Olmsted Ice. I'm going to go over here and click on Add Device. And this is going to be an Android device. Alright, so from here, this is my company license code, which I will need. And this right here is my device ID, again, which I'll need. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up Cool Running and go ahead and register this device. Okay, so I'm going to move this screen out of the way. Alright, so I'm going to go here and tap my Cool Running driver. Okay, so a first install of a device will be a register of that device. If you happen to clear the app up and happen to reinstall at another time, resync up at another time, it would be a check license. In that case right there, it would only be doing a license code. But I'm going to go back to register device. I'm going to put in my company license code, and I'll put that in here, D. There's my license code right there, and if there happens to be a space here, make sure you get rid of that space. The device ID that I said that I was going to use is device 202. And then down here at the bottom, I can go ahead and name the device anything I want. Oops, I got it backed up. Hold on. Name it here. And down here, I'm going to put in the device ID that I was going to use, 202. And then when I'm done here, I'm going to click on Check License. Alright, so it's going to bring up the home page right now. Now, at this point right here, there actually is no data on the device yet. The app is loaded and the device has been registered. So now, as soon as I click on Make Deliveries or Load Trucks or Guests, it's going to have me log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in right now. And this login is basically the login email that you have set up for the server. Now I'm going to put in my password. And sorry, I'm blocking out people from seeing my password. So once that's done there, go ahead and click on Login. And this right here is going to have to do a sync up of the entire database. Now my Olmsted Ice database obviously is a pretty large database. I was in company business for quite a while and I used my software for quite a while. But still, this typically runs fairly quick with most databases. So we'll let that sync everything up. Okay, great. All right, so now here the sync has been done. I'm going to go down here and click Continue. Now, it says right here, allow the Cool Running driver to access this device's location. At this point right here, the only way the device can actually be tracked is if the device tracking is on at all times, and I'm going to show you that here. So I'm just going to, click on while using the app. Okay, so right now here it's pointing to hook up with a printer. If you can actually continue without a printer if you want, or you can go ahead and hook up to the printer that you want. The current devices that we support is DPP. We may support new devices in the future. I'm going to tap on this DPP model. Actually, we support a DPP model and an MP model, which are different brands of printers. And that's my wife right there asking if I want Chinese. Okay, So here we are. Go ahead and tap on DPP. That's the printer that I'm going to use, and click continue. Oops, it's asking me if I want to do a test print. I'm going to go back. Yes, I want to do a test print. I highly recommend people to always do a test print of a device before anybody actually goes on route. So I'm going to click on test print. And in this case right here, it went ahead and did a little test print on the printer I'm using. I can continue or print again. I'm just going to hit continue, and I'm going to hit continue. Confirm this printer. Yep, I'm going to confirm this one. Okay, so here we are in the trucks. I'm going to go ahead and log in on the device just like I normally would log in. So I'm going to choose a truck and click continue. Now, this app collects location data. Enable the office to collect truck position and displayed on a map, even when the app is closed or not in use. The app positioning needs to be on at all times. So if I click OK, I understand. You're going to see this the first time they're actually logging in on the app. So it's going to ask you to go ahead and go into settings. I'm going to click allow in settings. And rather than allow only while using the app, I'm going to say allow all the time. Okay. And then I'm going to click on the little arrow here, the back button. And now I'm ready. So now I'm actually, if I actually had any routes to look at down here at the bottom, I could look for the routes that I might want to log into. And see if there was any routes, it'd be listed right here. Or I can click on all customers. Okay, so this device has been synced up. It's been loaded. And that's how to go ahead and do the installation for Android from Google Play Store. If anybody has any questions about core running software, feel free to give me a call or email me. All right, thanks guys.